Everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and simple way. Friends, you can see behind me this cloth. Actually, I have just hang this cloth on this rope. Okay, and now I have some time, so I thought I would practice English. And yes, I am practicing English. Everyone knows that English is very imperative. You know, you know what is the meaning of imperative? Imperative means necessary. France, English is very crucial, imperative language because it opens many doors. If you know English and you can speak English in front of anyone and in front of camera, any other places, you are real hero. I am saying you are real hero because you have a confidence. You can speak English anywhere. You can speak English in restaurant and public places if you know and if you have a confidence. Most of the people knows English, but they have lack of confidence. So they are unable to speak English clearly or confidently. They got stuck. They know they know everything. They know rules. They know a lot of rules, but they get stuck when when it turns to speak English. They get they get stuck. So I am practicing English, and sometimes I describe all the things in English. I try to describe the things in English, and this method is very effective for me. I think this method is very effective for you. If you are practicing English, then I can suggest please do this method in your English journey. So you can see a friend behind me this beautiful view. I am standing on my rooftop and now I am recording this video. I am practicing English and I am improving myself every single day. And in my previous video, I say when I get sometimes I practice English when I get some time, and sometimes I make excuse. I have enough time. Sorry, I had enough time, but I scrolled video. I watched YouTube shorts video. I used my times in a wrong way, but sometimes I use my time in a positive way. Sometimes I watch English podcast and English video. Okay, so I spend my times like way, but I spend my times. I spend most of the times in a wrong way, wrong pattern. I know what is the right and what is the wrong, wrong things which I do. Okay, I know, but I am lazy. I am lazy, so I am unable to practicing English. I don't have English environment. Sometimes I create English environment. Sometimes I practice English in front of the camera, in front of the mirror. But I don't practice in front of any other person. But yeah, time I practice myself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet in next video. Bye bye.